Hey, what's up, Siacoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Siacoin. My friends, this update is very urgent for all Siacoin holders, so keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. So friends, if you look the latest price of Siacoin at this time, so the latest price is absolutely, my friends, 0.01 USD dollar is the Siacoin currently live price update you are watching now. And same like that, if you look the price changes occur, price of the Siacoin and the BTC Bitcoin 0.00000047 USD dollar is the Bitcoin price of Siacoin, my friends. Market cap, 24 hours volume, available supply, total supply of the Siacoin you can see now on the screen. And on the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in a Siacoin, so you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 24 hours pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is negative. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with you, Siacoin, in this time? I'm really shocked to see this kind of negative. The whole change is negative, so I'm shocked to see. What's wrong with you, Siacoin? Last 1 hour pricing is negative 0.96% fast down occur. Same like the 24 hours. My friends, 24 hours mean the yesterday pricing is negative. The 1st June price is negative. So what should we do this time? As it is time to buy, sell or hold Siacoin. My friends, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research. Now at this time you can see here the last 1 week price change is negative. Last 1 week price change is negative, and you can see here that completely fast down occur in the Siacoin from the previous last 1 month. That is the last 1 month price chart of the Siacoin. So if you decide at this time to sell Siacoin, so that's clear that you are in the loss, my friends. And on the other side, if you decide to hold Siacoin, so there is a lot of chances to they take a huge jump, they take a jump in the future. So absolutely, when they take a jump, so you will get a profit from Siacoin. So why you decide to sell it this time? It's time to hold, my friends. That is my suggestion, that is my prediction about Siacoin. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Siacoin? Please share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.